Well, Danny, we got the upstairs completely gutted here.
Man, it completely looks different. The windows have seen their better day, though. Actually, there's window weight right there where they used to counterbalance all of these things. But the style of the windows that we're putting in are going to be pretty much the same. Of course, it'll be insulated and have cladding on the outside for the low maintenance.
Much better than those.
Yeah,
right?
oh yeah, yeah. Hey, you know, something else that I noticed, look right here, where people, you know, you think back when the carpenters, you know how we always are drawing things out, and you can see how they showed the swing of the door, because the door opened in like that, and then it looks like, almost looks like they're drawing a big screen TV, but we know that wasn't the case in 1926. Probably the transom right in there. So that's pretty cool.
Yeah.
All right, in here, this is pretty wild. You know, we've seen this before. Of course, they were pulling all the concrete out of here the other day, I saw. They must have taken like an axe or a hatchet and...
Yeah, I guess, you know, I guess just so they could have more concrete there, you know, because they was actually above here. I guess if it was just a flat board, it would only been just, you know, that's just to keep more from breaking all the pieces, I guess. But they hewed that down with an axe. That was a long time ago.
A lot of things change on that. I know you're going to be reconfiguring all of these walls for the new shape of the bathroom and all of that, but
yeah, we'll have to address all that.
And then the big fan up here, we've seen those things before where we've had to almost disassemble it. You think, I don't even know how you're going to get that out of here.
I'm hoping it'll go through that hole.
But you still, to get it out of the house though, of course some of these windows are going out. I guess you can just throw it right out the window.
We'll probably get it down, set it down until we get the window out. And, because it's heavy. I mean, it's made out of some good heavy stuff.
Put that on the back of a boat?
Put it on a boat and haul it tail.
Yeah, like an airboat.
Yeah, there you go.